What is the twist knob under office chair? The twist knob is one of the ways that chairs can be adjusted. Many people don't know what it's for, but it's a crucial part of the chair. A detailed guide on what is the twist knob under office chair. The knob under an office chair is typically used to adjust the tension of the chair's springs. Chair tilt tension. Chair tilt tension is the knob under your office chair that controls the amount of pressure required to lean back in your chair. Height adjustment lever. The height adjustment lever is a knob or handles located under the seat of an office chair that, when turned, raises or lowers the height of the chair. Back height adjustment. The back height adjustment is a knob that is located under the seat of your chair. Seat angle adjustment. It allows you to adjust the angle of your seat. Seat depth adjustment. The seat depth adjustment is a feature on many office chairs that allows the user to customize the depth of the chair's seat. What are the parts of a desk chair called? The backrest supports the back and shoulders, and it can be adjustable or fixed in place. What does the tilt tension adjustment knob do? The knob is usually located under the seat and can be turned either clockwise or counterclockwise to modify the tension on the tilt mechanism. What does tilt lock mean? A tilt lock is a handy feature to help you stay comfortable while working at your desk. Conclusion. The twist knob found on the underside of office chairs is not just a design feature, it has a real purpose.